For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a manufacturing business can be an exciting venture, but it often involves complex planning, market research, product design, and operational management. Fortunately, the rise of free AI tools has made many of these steps easier and more efficient. This guide will walk you through a step-by-step process of launching your manufacturing business with the help of free AI, ensuring you get a solid start without a heavy upfront investment. Step 1. Define your manufacturing niche and product idea. Begin by clarifying what kind of products you want to manufacture. Use AI tools to conduct market research and identify trends and demands in the manufacturing sector you're interested in. For this, you can use ChatGPT or similar large language models to brainstorm product ideas or validate market needs. Prompt suggestion. ChatGPT, help me identify trending product ideas in your niche manufacturing sector for 2025. This prompt will generate a list of potential product ideas and insights into market demand, helping you pinpoint a profitable niche. Step 2. Conduct market research and competitor analysis. Once you have your product idea, delve deeper into understanding your target market and competitors. Use AI-powered research tools such as Google Trends for analyzing search interest and free tools like Answer the Public for consumer questions related to your product. ChatGPT can also summarize competitor information. Prompt suggestion. ChatGPT, summarize the main competitors for manufacturing your product and their strengths and weaknesses. This helps you understand the competitive landscape and identify unique selling points for your product. Step 3. Create a business plan. A strong business plan is critical to guide your manufacturing startup. Use ChatGPT to draft your business plan by feeding it details about your product, market research, operational plans, and financial goals. Prompt suggestion. ChatGPT, help me write a detailed business plan for a manufacturing business producing product, targeting market. Include sections on executive summary, market analysis, operations, marketing strategy, and financial projections. AI can help you organize your ideas professionally and fill in gaps with relevant business knowledge. Step 4. Design your product and prototype. The design phase is essential for manufacturing. Use AI-assisted design tools like FreeCAD or Blender, both free, for creating 3D models and prototypes. If you want AI to assist with initial product design concepts, tools like DALL-E for visual concepts or ChatGPT for descriptive designs can help. Prompt suggestion for ChatGPT. Describe a detailed product design specification for your product, including dimensions, materials, and features. This can guide your CAD modeling or discussions with designers. Step 5. Source materials and suppliers. Identifying reliable suppliers is a crucial step. Use AI to research potential suppliers globally by querying platforms like Alibaba or Thomasnet. ChatGPT can help draft inquiry emails to suppliers. Prompt suggestion. Write a professional inquiry email to a supplier asking for pricing and minimum order quantity for material/product. AI can assist in negotiating and communication with suppliers efficiently. Step 6. Plan manufacturing operations and workflow. Map out your production process to optimize efficiency. Use free AI tools like ChatGPT to help draft process flows, list required machinery, and recommend quality control steps. Prompt suggestion. ChatGPT, help me create a step-by-step manufacturing workflow for producing product, including quality control measures. This will give you a clear operational blueprint to follow. Step 7. Calculate startup costs and financial projections. Determine the costs for equipment, labor, raw materials, and overheads. Use free spreadsheet tools like Google Sheets alongside AI to assist with financial modeling. You can ask ChatGPT to create basic financial projections. Prompt suggestion. Create a financial projection for the first year of a manufacturing business producing product, including startup costs, monthly expenses, and expected revenue. This will help you plan budgets and anticipate cash flow needs. Step 8. Establish legal and regulatory compliance. Manufacturing businesses often require permits and compliance with safety regulations. Use AI chatbots or legal information tools like Do Not Pay or Rocket Lawyer, free versions, to understand requirements. Prompt suggestion. ChatGPT lists the typical legal and regulatory requirements for starting a manufacturing business in your country/state. This helps you prepare the necessary documentation and avoid costly delays. Step 9. Develop a marketing plan. Promoting your manufactured product is key to success. Use AI to create marketing strategies, social media content, and customer outreach plans. ChatGPT can generate ideas for campaigns, and Canva, free version, offers AI-driven design tools for creating marketing visuals. Prompt suggestion. ChatGPT, develop a marketing plan to launch a new manufacturing product focusing on digital marketing and B2B outreach. This can help you reach your target audience effectively. Step 10. Build an online presence. Create a website and social media profiles to showcase your product and company. Use free AI website builders like Wix ADI or Zyro, which utilize AI to design customized websites quickly. For content, ChatGPT can draft website copy and product descriptions. Prompt suggestion. Write engaging website content for the homepage and product page of a manufacturing business that produces product. This ensures your online presence is professional and customer-friendly. Step 11. Set up sales channels. Decide where you will sell your products, direct sales, distributors, or online marketplaces. Use AI tools to analyze which channels fit best. ChatGPT can draft sales emails, pitches, and customer service scripts. Prompt suggestion. ChatGPT, write a sales pitch email to potential distributors for a product. Automating these communications saves time and improves professionalism. Step 12. Launch and monitor your manufacturing business. After everything is set, launch your operations. Use free AI analytics tools like Google Analytics for website traffic and social media insights to monitor customer engagement. For internal monitoring, simple AI-enabled spreadsheet models can track production efficiency and costs. Prompt suggestion. ChatGPT suggests key performance indicators, KPIs, to monitor the success of a manufacturing startup producing product. Regularly reviewing these KPIs helps you adjust strategies and improve profitability. Conclusion. Starting a manufacturing business may seem daunting, but leveraging free AI tools can streamline the process significantly. From ideation and planning to marketing and operations, AI assists with generating ideas, drafting documents, designing products, and optimizing workflows. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.